Welcome back. This is Dr. Merck's son. Just put together the Merck 650 Thunderbolt, the 50-year-old powerhead with new rings, honed out the cylinders, and we're just testing the compression before we proceed any further, just to make sure everything's on the up and up. So I'm going to go ahead and do this on camera. All right, so we got cylinder 1, everything's in there. All right, 130. 2. Pretty good. Now remember, this was 120 before I started. The rings are brand new. They have not been seated yet. So I'm thinking it's going to go up a little more once we actually feed it gas and get it to talk, so to speak. All right, next one, number 2. Bang! Bang, very healthy. 130. All right, I'm going to move on to number 4. In there. All right, number 4. All right, again, 130. I say number 4, I'm at number 3. Now we're going to number 4. Definitely going to have to oil the cylinders again after this, just to make sure there's no rust or anything like that. I'm running like 25 to 1 on the oil mix. Probably 89 octane. Bring it up real nice and easy. Okay, the next test, cylinder 4, final test. Bang, 130. Alright, that's all she wrote. Alright, so this puppy's ready to be put back on pretty much. I got to put the ignition system, the carburetors, they're already rebuilt. So everything's ready to go. Hopefully tomorrow I have it all back together, and then by the next day after that, the boat will be on the water. Thanks for watching.